Is your Windows 11 update stuck on getting Windows ready? Well, let's fix that. Okay, the first thing we're going to be doing is a hard shutdown. Basically, what that is you're going to be manually holding the power button on your desktop or laptop and shutting it down. You're going to do that twice. Now, on the third time, when you power up the computer or laptop on the third time, you're going to leave it alone, and it's going to say diagnosing your PC. After that, it'll come to this screen. When you get to this screen, you're going to click on Advanced Options. You're going to select Troubleshooting. You're going to select Advanced Options. And you're going to click on Uninstall Updates. Now, very important, you're not going to click on Uninstall Latest Feature Update. Basically, a feature update is a major update between versions of Windows 11. So a 25H2 to 25H3 would be a feature update. You're going to click on Uninstall Latest Quality Update. Now, after that, you're going to click on Uninstall Quality Update. So basically, it's going to take the latest quality update and uninstall it. So the one that is getting stuck, it's going to uninstall it. After that, it'll reboot your computer and you should be on the login screen. If you come up to this screen, great. You've done it. You installed it. Let's log in. Okay. You have successfully uninstalled the latest Windows update. If this worked for you, comment fixed in the comment section. And for more tricks, tips, Windows 11 content, subscribe and turn your bell notification on. And remember, stay savvy. And I'll see you guys in the next episode. Peace.
Hey guys, check out our new merch store.